Fans, this is Dave Capalla with the Hueneme Sport Network and Outdoor News. Today we've got an exciting and interesting new proposition with Angler's Hour. You notice that we have set up here to my right our fishing expedition. What we're doing today on this misty Hueneme morning is fishing Wilson's Pond. What sort of lunkers are we going to pull in? We'll notice that I was able to cast perfectly into the fishing hole. I wonder if we'll get any bite. Actually, would you say that the pond has been expertly fished?
Yes.
We were going to go tell him that his truck had a broken window in it. Tanner said, call him, say something. I said, no, I'm going to let him suffer.
Game warden was here looking for somebody to have a fishing license with the pole in the pond.
Oh.
Honey, well, I just wanna go fishing, 'cause fishing is the kind of thing I